given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be an accountant because it's safe in a...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Stephanie. So today's video is going to be a review video on the eyeliner stand. I'm gonna link all their information down below. So yeah, this is the product. I do have the liner on my eye. I know what I think of the product. Please keep watching. Okay, I know it's a little weird that I have pretty much half of my face already done, but I'm definitely super excited because this company did reach out to me and they sent me a product they wanted me to try, and I was just like, oh my god, yes, send it to me. I definitely always been wanting to try these type of products, but just never like could afford them, or just never felt like, oh my god, that probably wouldn't work for me. But when they decided to send it to me, I was like, oh my gosh, yes, I'm super excited to try it. So I just received the package today. Their name is Cleo Cosmetics, and their products are from Amazon. So hi, I'm opening the bag. I'm like super excited, like, oh my gosh. Okay, so I will also link all their information down below. So this is pretty much how the packaging looks here. Oh my god, I'm super excited. Now they do claim to be waterproof, smudge proof, lasts all day, and pigmented. And this is for the left and right eye. So I guess it has like a different stamp on one eye, and you know, so different stamp for each eye, right? It would make sense. So the stamp, and then it has a liner at the bottom. So technically it's like two liners because it has the liner in it, and it comes with two pens. Oh my god. Okay. So then it comes with, okay, so it says pull me, and then this is so this is important tips. It comes with like tips, and it says important tips, needs a bit of practice. Usually it takes just a bit of getting used to, but be patient because once you get the hang of it, the magic happens. Perfectly even wings. The thickness of the wing may slightly differ on how hard you press when you stamp it. Try to apply even pressure on both sides to get these perfectly even wings. Small corrections. If you miss the tip of a wing with your stamp, don't worry, it's a quick fix. Just use the pen side to fill in the outer corners of your wing, which of course it makes sense, right? So, and it gives you a light pressure, hard pressure, and then how to do that. And then it says shake before using our products. Make sure you give it a good shake so that the ink flows evenly to both tips. So store horizontally so the ink flows evenly and the tips don't dry up. Okay, some eyelids are more oily than others, so make sure you allow 45 seconds for eyeliner to dry after applying it. Ooh, and then they have the $3 coupon on your next purchase, and it's at www.cleof.com with this coupon code. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Okay, so I will go ahead and get started in a little bit more. I know it looks a little funny because I have like you know, half of my makeup on, right? Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with my right eye, and I'm gonna do the right stamp. So oh, does it? Oh, okay, so the stamp already, I thought you had to like color in the stamp. Oh. Okay, I'm like, you know, all impressed, right? So you have, it's already in the stamp, like the liner is already on the stamp, and you just, oh wait, hold on, let me shake it up. Okay, I thought that you had to like, wait, that would have not made sense, right? Like you would have to shade in the color. Duh, right, Stephanie? Oh my god. Okay, so you get the stamp, then you stamp it. I don't know why I was thinking you had to like, with the eyeliner, shade in the stamp and then stamp it. I was so confused. But then again, how would have I put the stamp on there? Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm complicating things. This is definitely not complicated. I did that to myself. Okay, so it makes sense. So let me go ahead and try. Let's see. Makeup gods, help me, please. Okay, so I went ahead and shaked it, and then it says to just I'm gonna go ahead and apply it, and I'm applying it, since this is the right one, I'm gonna go ahead and apply it this way so the wing can be this way. Okay, so let's go ahead and do it. Let's see. I'm nervous. Oh my God. Okay, hold on. Oh my God, it started to wing. Now I did it like ever so slightly because I was just scared I was gonna mess up. So I did it super like light, but definitely I can just go back in with it and do it a little bit better. And then, oh my God, okay. Okay, so then I'm gonna just wing it out because oh my God, yeah. This literally took me less than 2 seconds. Oh my God. Okay. Yes, okay. I'm impressed. Definitely impressed. Do you see that? Okay. Now, this took me less than what? 10 seconds to do? When I kid you not, it takes me a good 5 minutes on each eye to freehand my own line. My own liner. Oh my God. Okay, I'm excited now. Let me do the other eye, because yes. Now, the tricky part is matching the other liner or the other wing. So I'm gonna shake it. Okay, moment of truth. Okay, let's see. Guys, I promise you, I was a little skeptical. I was gonna think, honestly, I wasn't gonna like this, because I've honestly been freehanding my wing liner for like ever now, and you know, I do tend to always stray from doing a wing line because it takes me forever to do it. It's just so much work, you know. But I feel like with this product, honestly, oh my God, wing line. Okay. Oh my God. Do you guys see that? Ladies, honestly, super impressed. Okay, I'm gonna come back in just a second. I'm gonna put my lashes on and then put a lipstick on and then come right back and I'll give you my final thoughts on this product. Okay guys, so I went ahead and applied my lashes and I did apply some lipstick off camera, and honestly, I want to say that this product is bomb. Like, it took me, I mean, the only reason why it's, you know, this is going to be a little bit of like a 10-15 minute video is because definitely doing it like an in-depth tutorial, but in all honesty, I probably, if I'm just trying to go out the door, like it probably would take me less than like 10 seconds on each eye, less than 5 seconds on each eye, using this product. I thought in the beginning, like, oh my god, these are like gimmicky products and stuff like that, but I mean, low-key, I still wanted to try it, and I just didn't expect for me to honestly like it, so I'm definitely glad I did. And it's something like, it's a product that, you know, people that are just beginning to do like wing liner, or they want to, you know, do it, but they just don't know how, or they don't, you know, it doesn't come out even, or just in general, like, you know, for beginners, this is definitely a bomb product. I will definitely link all their information down below for the company, and it's just amazing, like bomb. So I do highly recommend it. I do believe that this retails for $12.95, and it is an Amazon product. I will definitely link that information down below. I mean, who can beat the price? Honestly, it's like $12.95 for two. You're getting two pins. So technically you're getting two liners. So you do the math on, you know, divide what that is, right? Honestly, I just truly want to say it's amazing. Definitely go check it out. Like I said, I will link all that information down below. I do want to thank y'all so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.